Lura AI versus Learna AI. In this 2025 comparison, we'll find out which language learning software is the most effective. Make sure to like and subscribe. First is features. Lura AI focuses on real-time conversational coaching with AI tutors, pronunciation correction, and live roleplays. Learna AI, on the other hand, emphasizes structured lessons, gamified practice, and progress tracking. Next is learning curve. Learn AI is easier for beginners since it guides you step by step. Lura AI requires more self-directional, but rewards learners who want natural conversation practice. Next is customization. Lura AI is highly flexible, letting you stimulate workplace meetings or casual chats. Learna AI is more rigid with lesson paths but ensure grammar and vocabulary coverage. Next is audience. Lura AI is best for professionals who want confidence in speaking. Learn AI suits students or casual learners who prefer structured lessons. Second to the last is value. Lura AI is pricier but mimics a personal tutor. Learn AI is more affordable with subscription tiers that works well for consistent learners. The verdict? If your goal is fluent conversation skills, choose Lura AI. If you prefer step-by-step structured learning, Learna AI is the better pick. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.